Hey guys, Chris here with Headlight Revolution. If you're watching this video, chances are you've already upgraded the front of your Toyota 4Runner and you're trying to get the rear to match. Now, we have got the most impressive reverse light option ever for your Toyota 4Runner. A lot of people are satisfied with 2 reverse lights, and that's fine, but we've figured out a way with Diode Dynamics help to give you 4 of the world's brightest reverse lights firing backwards out of this thing. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the module that makes it work. I'm going to show you what it looks like against the wall compared to the stock reverse lights. So let's get started. All right guys, the first step in getting to your taillight here is popping open the hatch, and there's a little access panel here. You can take any pry tool, any probably flat screwdriver, and remove this little door on the inside, like so. And then with a 10mm socket, you can reach in here and remove the 2 10mm nuts holding this thing in. Now just pull it toward you to remove it. Disconnect the little factory wire harness back there. We're going to take this to the table and I'm going to show you guys how it works. So we've got the taillight out on the table now, and our good friends at Diode Dynamics, they understand the problem we've got. Problem is we like a ton of reverse light output. And the truth is, while 1 set of reverse lights is okay, if we could have 2 sets, 4 total reverse lights, that's even better. And so for reverse lights today, we're going to be using the GTR Lighting 1000 lumen reverse lights. These are the brightest reverse lights on the planet today at the time of this video. And like I said, 2 is good, 4 is always better. Now, this is the Diode Dynamics tail as turn module for the 4Runner. The cool part is it's 99% plug and play. The only modification you have to do to it, and they include everything for that, when it comes out of the box, you need to install this T-tap right here on the green wire and connect this black wire to it. That's what's going to give you your 4 reverse lights. And the way they accomplish the 4 reverse light deal is by converting your tail light, your stop light in the center here, which is already factory LED, they convert that from only being a brake light to also being a turn signal, which removes the need for this turn signal. So what are we going to do with that? Well, we're going to get rid of the turn signal that we had in there. We're going to put another reverse light up there because you need to see better at night. So remove your turn signal. Now in here we've got the GTR Lighting Armor Series amber turn signal. And that was a good bulb, but that's for other drivers. We're being selfish today. We want the good stuff back here. Plug it in like so, and these just pressure fit in to the slot just like that. This is the factory reverse light, this little guy here. That's not doing anything for us. These things are crazy. Pressure fit it just like the top one. Plug it into the factory connector. With all this stuff installed like so, you can go ahead and bring it back to the vehicle, plug it in, pass your wiring through. Now, there's one thing I should mention here before I get too far ahead of myself. There is a resistor on here. You're going to want to mount this to something metal because they do get a little bit toasty. There's plenty of metal back there to mount it to. Now I'm going to go jump in the vehicle quick and put this thing in reverse, make sure all my connections are proper, make sure everything is where it should be, and then I'm going to put these nuts back on and do the other side. Is it good? It's pretty easy to tell that they work. Now, this only tells you so much. Any light ever is bright when you're looking directly at it. Let's turn the lights off, let's back this up to the garage door and see how it compares to the stock reverse lights that this 4Runner came with. As you can tell, that Diode Dynamics module makes it just crazy back there with light. Backing up to that garage door, absolutely unbelievable. You should see it from the driver's seat. In fact, we've got all kinds of cool products like that for the Toyota 4Runner that I'd love for you to experience. We've got the KC Highlights Pro 6 light bar in the grille of this thing, and the Supernova low beam and high beam LED headlights. So if you need anything like that for your 4Runner, visit our website, www.headlightrevolution.com. Thank you for watching.